In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale your business operations with Airtable. We'll build a clear, connected system that grows with your company. First, get clarity on what you're actually trying to manage. Identify the core processes you want to scale: client management, projects and deliverables, sales and revenue tracking, plus operations and internal requests. Think of these as your modules. Having a short list keeps the system focused, and it prevents you from mixing unrelated data in the same place. Next, create your workspace. Log into Airtable on desktop, click Add a base and choose Start from Scratch, or open an existing base that will act as your operations hub. Give it a clear name so the team instantly knows this is the source of truth for day-to-day work. Now structure your data into dedicated tables. Create separate tables for clients, projects, tasks, and revenue or costs. Keep names simple and consistent. Make sure the primary field in each table is descriptive, like the client name or the project title. Use consistent field types: single select for statuses, date fields for timelines, checkboxes for quick flags, and formulas for calculated values. This consistency is what makes your system scalable and reliable. Connect your data so it flows without duplication. Use linked record fields to relate projects to clients, tasks to projects, and revenue to the right client or project. Once linked, you can add lookups or rollups to surface key context, like a client's priority or a project's total cost, directly where you need it. This keeps information accurate and eliminates manual copying. Quick reminder, the Airtable website link is available at the top of the description. Open it now so you can follow along and build your system step by step as we go. With your structure in place, create operational views that help people execute. Build filtered views like active projects, high priority tasks, bottlenecks, and upcoming deadlines. Add filters, sorts, and groups, and hide fields that aren't needed for action. Save these as named views so everyone sees the same focused slice of work. To reduce busy work, add automations. Set triggers like when a task is created or when a status changes. Then, add actions to assign tasks automatically, update statuses, or send internal notifications. Test each automation and give it a clear name so it's easy to maintain. Finally, review and optimize regularly. Audit tables, views, and automations. Remove what's no longer needed and refine structures as operations become more complex. Document naming rules and processes so the system stays consistent as your team scales. That's how you can scale business operations with Airtable by building reliable, connected systems. Thanks for watching.